One. So, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. So, we are going now to present our system, which is the hardware or PS with elementary. So, first, we're going to introduce ourselves. My name is Elmar Rodriguez Function.
My name is Janriel Magalso.
My name is Brian Pilares.
Kyle Shaira Reyes.
My name is Lorian Ishin Timortula.
So, for starter, we're going to have the other presenter to present our system. So here, as you can see, we're going to discuss the operational uh, way of the system. So user as he sells, I mean the so here as you can see, we're going to see the presenting the admin. So this is the admin portal. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. So in the dashboard, we can see the as you can see in our sidebar, there are the processes here, POS, product, sales, and yeah. So first, we're going to discuss the product. So in the product, we're going to uh, see or we're going to perform a so as you can see here, we're going uh, to perform the product. So first, we're going to add product. So let's do the add product. So so after the writing those requirements for the adding product, so let's see if the product will add to the list. So click the add. Okay. So as you can see, the product was added to the list. So we're going to perform the CRUD, which is the delete. So let's try to delete some product. So as you can see, after typing those requirements for the adding product, so we're going to save or submit it if the product will add to the list. So let's look for the product that we added. So here we go. So there you go. As you can see, the product is added. So let's do the code. So let's try to perform the code. So we're going to perform the delete. So as you can see, so the delete uh, is working well. So we're going to update. So we're going to make some changes to update. So as you can see that update is also working. So let's try to view the product. So wait, let's try to view the product. So as you can see, you can view the product. So as you can see, the product or the process of the product is working well. So we're going to proceed the other uh, processes. So as you can see here, point of sale. So we're going to register the product. So let's try to register product. So as you can see, the product is registered. So there's some list. So we're going to add another one. So as you can see here, the product that we're going to register in our POS is well listed. So they are added. So let's try to do some other processes. Here are our POS register. So as you can see, we're going to add the following product to register. So let's add a product. So as you can see, the product added successfully. So we're going to have the reset. So we're going to have the reset. So let's okay. As you can see, the receipt is uh, I mean documented. So we're going to click the process to print the receipt. So as you can see, the admin were able to uh, print the receipt. So in our next process, so let's go at the next process. Dito sa kanang print ang kontre. So as you can see here, the receipt to be printed by the admin. So all in all, the PS system with our hardware management, I mean hardware, uh, um, we're able to successfully process the other process of the system. So that would be all. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, sir, for standby to our video.
Thank you, sir. Salamat, sir.